$2.99 list.
$2.99? $2.99?
Yeah, well, I mean, you could get them cheaper, I suppose, you know?
Wow!
All right, you shop around. In discounts. Doty's discount store, man. Doty's is the best. Lowest prices in town.
My wife's nephew's birthday's coming up.
Yeah?
He's been dropping hints, you know. $2.99 list. What does list mean?
I don't know. Let's go around here, Lieutenant.
Doty's. You better keep everybody out of here until the lab finds out who those footprints belong to.
Oh, it's okay, Lieutenant. Sergeant Haybeck's already identified them as the cleaning ladies.
Cleaning lady.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, look the way that's raked. It's, they got that herringbone on either side and some kind of mush in the middle. I think it's better if we go in the front way.
Whatever you say, Lieutenant. All right, we need to clear a path for the lieutenant here, please.
How was she killed, Lieutenant?
Suspects. Out of the way, people.